Have you ever needed to create a post-event report to see how it performed financially? Instead of re-entering booking data into Excel and creating a chart, MEC Addon lets you show all the important information in style and with little to no effort. So, you don't want to miss this video today. Hey everyone, Hakan here from Web News Team, and thank you very much for joining us again. So, we're back with another comprehensive add-on overview. In this video, we will review the various functions and use cases in the Advanced Reports Addon for Money-Less Calendar. It might be a bit tricky to spot what has been added to the MEC Calendar menu options, but if you zoom in a bit, you'll see there is an option called Report. After you've installed Advanced Reports, this option will change a bit. Let me demonstrate. Let's go ahead and activate our add-on from the plugin section. Once we activate the Advanced Reports add-on, the Report menu changes to Promote, and a new menu option called Advanced Reports gets added. Now, I want to show you what this add-on can do and why it's a must if you're hosting many events. This is the overview you get inside the Advanced Reports page, which displays different information on the booking, attendees, and events. You also have multiple filter options to isolate specific tickets or events to get a more detailed look. We've got multiple sections here, which I'll go over one by one. Here, we have the total number of attendees that have booked an event on your website. So, for example, we have a total of 20 attendees. Those 20 attendees account for a total of 10 bookings, and those 10 could include 2, 3, 4, or whatever number. Out of the 10 bookings, 9 have been confirmed by the attendee and 8 have been verified by the organizer. The last field shows the total income earned from our bookings, and these 10 bookings have yielded us $1,334 in total. In the event name drop-down menu, we can filter which event gets the detailed look. So, for example, in this event, we have 6 attendees, which accounts for 2 bookings, and a total income of $659. This can be done for all the events on our website. The next field allows us to define a specific time frame for bookings. So, for example, from November 22 to November 26, all the information related to this period is filtered. I'll refresh the page so we go back to the default view and go over the next sections. In the Sales Attendees section, there's a graph that displays all the booking information to us, either based on location, organizer, or categories. If I choose a specific organizer, the graph will reflect how that specific person's event is doing in terms of sales. So, the yellow line indicates the attendees and the blue line indicates sales. Hovering over each point of the graph will show the information related to that specific date. So, on the 20th of November, we had 3 attendees book an event for $185. Again, one attendee on 22nd of November booked a ticket for $60. My favorite is the categories filter, which helps illustrate which types of events are doing best. For this filter, 7 attendees booked events worth $704. So, in summary, this graph shows the date, number of attendees, and the sales generated through their booking, which can be filtered as well. The next section is the gateway chart that displays which payment method is being used more by our users. From the total of $1,334 bookings made, $495 were made via Pay locally, around 38%, and $315 through Stripe and $464 paid through PayPal, which is a healthy mix. The pie chart illustrates this information to us in a convenient format, which is perfect if you plan on giving a report after your event is finished. Further below, we have a list of all the attendees that have booked an event on the site. The information is the booking ID, the invoice number, the attendee name and email. the order time, ticket price, event name, event start date, and the booking status. For example, for John Smith, the booking has not been verified yet and sits as waiting. Or below that we have a booking that's been both rejected and cancelled. This is the general information about all the attendees on the site, but if we scroll back up and click on any of these sections, the attendee information related to it will be shown. If I click on Confirmed Bookings, it will show the list of all confirmed attendees. We can filter those events further based on parameters available. In the Total Income section, it will show the attendees who have paid tickets. If I filter for a specific category, like online, it will show that only 3 attendees booked an online event. If I filter location for it as well, it will show no attendees since the event was online. All the parameters of event name, categories, location, and organizer can be applied on the attendee list to give us a more detailed breakdown. Lastly, there is this small blue arrow on top of all attendees. Hovering over it gives us the option to export the attendee list in 3 formats: JSON, CSV, XML. So there is also 3 types of export for all attendees: selected attendees and filtered attendees. Let's choose 2 attendees and get a sample export. This export will show only these 2. Similarly, if we've set a filter and click on it, the export file will include the attendees based on the filter. So that's it. Overall, the Advanced Reports add-on is simple to use, but packed with useful information at a glance about all your events. Hope you found this video helpful or useful, and I look forward to reading your thoughts and questions about the add-on below the video. Thank you very much for staying with us, and see you in the next video.